and essential function which is process in a living organism to maintain their life. Means life process are the basics and essential function to maintain their life. This is very essential in our body. If this process are not done, then we can't be alive. So here I am going to write this definition.
Heal.
The basic and essential function. Essential means जरूरी. जो फंक्शन हमारे जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारा प्रोसेस करता है, जो बहुत ही बेसिक है और एसेंशियल है हमें जीने के लिए, उसको लाइफ प्रोसेस कहा जाता है. लाइफ प्रोसेस जो बहुत ज़रूरी है वो 4 हैं.
चलो मत हट जाओ. तुम्हारा बॉडी यार ऐसा
Among this process, if any process will not done in our human body, then we can't alive, or it means that in our human body something is different or something will damage if this process will not done. In each classes, all this process we will discuss about in detail. Firstly, what is nutrition? In nutrition, first of all, in our mind comes nutrients. Nutrition means food. Why do we need food? To get energy for growth and development. If we don't eat food, we don't get energy, and for energy, due to energy, we are capable to do work that we also know. So, what is nutrition? First, Metabolism. Metabolism means the sum of all the total chemical reactions taking place in a cell or living organism. It is made up of 2 types, anabolism and catabolism, because in which complex food molecules break down into simple food molecules known as catabolism, and which simple food molecules convert into big molecules is known as anabolism. Here I have written catabolism is the process in which complex food molecules break down into simple molecules. Suppose it is a big food molecule and it gets converted into by the chemical reaction into simple food molecule. This is catabolism. And anabolism, the process in which simple substance get converted into complex food molecules. Means suppose it is a simple food molecule and it gets converted into big food molecule. Now, respiration. Many of you have doubt that why I have written here that the process in which food molecules break down and produces energy in the form of ATP. Why I have not written that breathing? Respiration means we inhale and exhale. There is difference between respiration and breathing. Breathing is of 2 types, inhalation and exhalation. And respiration is different from breathing. Respiration breathing is a part of respiration. Breathing need in respiration, but it is not same. It is similar. We say it is similar. Breathing means when we inhale O2 and when we inhale O2 and exhale CO2. And respiration is a breathing is a part of respiration. In respiration, breathing should needed. And when we inhale CO2 and O2, when food molecules break down, exhalation and inhalation is taking place in help in breakdown of food, which produces in the form of ATP. So I am going to return between the difference between breathing and respiration. First, note down the method. Before I have written excretion. Many of them you know that excretion means all waste substances remove out from our body. But not all waste substance means in excretion only fluid waste substance excrete out from our body. And those food waste substance excrete out from our body, those process is known as addition. Means excretion. जो फ्लूइड होता है सब्सटेंस वो जो फ्लूइड के रूप में जो रिमूव होता है उसको एक्सक्रीशन कहते हैं, और जो फूड सब्सटेंस होता है जो सॉलिड वेस्ट होता है वो जो रिमूव होता है उसको एडिशन कहते हैं. ये दोनों में बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है. Now all that four process we will discuss in each classes. Now I am going to nutrition in plant. First, we know that there are many types of living organisms: plants, human beings, amoeba, animal, many things. So all have different process in nutrition. All have different process in respiration. All the organisms do process in different ways. So plants do in other ways, animals do in other ways, we human beings also do in other ways. So we will discuss first nutrition in plant by separately. Plant nutrition in plant, nutrition in human beings. First nutrition in plant. First plant take nutrition by the process. So here I have written all the definitions of nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. What is nutrition? The process in which we eat food and utilize energy. मतलब जिसमें हम लोग खाना खाते हैं और फिर उसके द्वारा एनर्जी यूटिलाइज होता है उसको न्यूट्रिशन बोलते हैं. एंड रेस्पिरेशन द प्रोसेस इन विच द फूड मॉलिक्यूल्स ब्रेक डाउन एंड प्रोड्यूसेस एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एटीपी. एक ऐसा प्रक्रिया जिसमें फूड मॉलिक्यूल्स छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बढ़ता है और फिर वो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करता है एटीपी के फॉर्म में. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन द फूड ट्रांसपोर्ट इन आवर बॉडी फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. मतलब फूड ये तो हम लोग फूड न्यूट्रिशन किए खाए यूटिलाइज की एनर्जी. तो कैसे एनर्जी यूटिलाइज हुआ? पहले ये सबसे छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बटे. तो ये हम सबसे पहले खाए अपने माउथ से ले गए, फिर वो फूड पाइप में गया तो कहाँ से कहाँ गया. मीन्स ट्रांसपोर्ट ये हो रहा है वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. तो इसी को ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कहते हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ ब्लड ऑल्सो. एंड एक्सक्रीशन द रिमूवल ऑफ बाकी सब चीज़ उसमें जो वेस्ट सब्सटेंस है वो बाहर निकल जाते हैं, बाहर निकालते हैं। जैसे कि हम लोग अपने घर में भी हर चीज़, कोई एक बिस्किट खाते हैं तो उसका रैपर नहीं खाते, उसका रैपर जो है पैकेट जो है वो फेंक देते हैं, वो हम अपने बॉडी में नहीं रख सकते। तो अगर बॉडी में रखेंगे तो वो हमें नुकसान पहुँचाएगा, डैमेज पहुँचाएगा, इसीलिए एक्सक्रीशन की ज़रूरी है। एंड यहाँ पे हम मेटाबॉलिक लिखे हैं। मेटाबॉलिक मतलब क्या होता है? मेटाबॉलिक एक रिएक्शन है, मीन्स सम ऑफ द टोटल केमिकल रिएक्शन in our body, present in our body. And metabolic reaction is of two types: anabolism and catabolism. Catabolism in which big food molecules break down into small pieces, and anabolism small pieces is converted into big food molecules. First unit, then I will discuss about Rajkaran, stand up. What is autotrophic nutrition? Navneet, stand up. What is metabolism reaction and their types?
All the chemical reaction in a living organism is called metabolic activity. Their types are catabolic and anabolic.
Sit down. Among all of you, anyone know that what are the types of heterotrophic nutrition? No. There are three types of saprophytic, parasitic, and holotropic. Romistry, stand up. What are chemoautotropic?
In which they help to break their
Give example. Is bacteria. Not all bacteria prepare their food by the chemical process. Sulfur bacteria. Sit down. What is aspiration? Parisian. Speak loudly, I can't. What is water aspiration?
Ask to other.
Same question. Ask to others. Ask.
Yuvraj, stand up. Water aspiration.
The process in which the gases go in and out from our body is called respiration.
Don't copy your book. Explain in your own words.
into breakdown and produces energy in the form of ATP. The process in which the food molecules break down and produces energy in the form of ATP.
You don't understand because you have learned, you remember the definition, you don't understand. Because रेस्पिरेशन मतलब कोई भी फूड मॉलिक्यूल जो है वो ब्रीथिंग के मदद से फूड मॉलिक्यूल को ब्रेक करता है और एनर्जी को बनाता है एटीपी के फॉर्म में। और ब्रीथिंग मतलब बस हम लोग O2 और CO2 लेते हैं।